We just got this BMW 2014 535 iX from Copart. Says it runs, but we got it to the shop. Threw the booster on it, don't want to start. So a lot of people don't know about this trick, but there's a small trick that you can check it out. I'm gonna have my boy Juan right here, BMW Juan, show you what it is. Positive side on the BMW has an impact, so when it's a front collision, it ignites. You can see the plugs in right there and underneath. So we're gonna take it off and then come back with y'all, show you like how to bypass it really quick.